Sunday morning coming down, that is it. Right here in the beautiful downtown Paris in the northern Free State within the Vredefort Dome. And this is Breë Street on a Sunday morning at about 8 a.m. Preparing for all the people visiting Paris today. It's a normal thing, weekends, Saturdays and Sundays. Those are the days of the weekend that's very popular in Paris. People driving from distances 200-300 kilometers away, and they just love coming to Paris on a Saturday and a Sunday to treat themselves to nice food, to all the little shops around, and just to have fun, walk up and down, experience Paris. And remember now, Paris is traditionally an Afrikaans community, Paris specifically. A rough estimate would be that in excess of 90% is Afrikaans speaking people, the language, the culture. So, yeah, just as a little bit of background. So, this walk down Breë can be a little bit of an issue. There's a wide space here on the yellow line that you can utilize, and not really that safe because, as you can see, it's also quite a heavy traffic. So here comes the pink caravan on its way. Yay! It's gonna end up there at the end of Breë, and nice goodies to eat, especially for the kids. Anyway, woo, what a noise! Now that is the disadvantage of Breë being a sort of a main route to the Northern Cape, etc., those areas. So we do have a lot of traffic passing through. Normally not on Sundays. If you ever happen to be in Paris, you can at ease walk Breë from top to bottom. I would say if you're really into hiking, you'll get let's say a 5 kilometer walk either way, a little bit less, 4 kilometers, 4,000 meters, roundabout, rough estimate. But yeah, that's the way to do it. Take a walk up and down Breë. At least then you have a good idea of what the Platteland is all about. And if you arrive, the guys normally arrive onwards from 10 o'clock in the mornings, both Saturday and Sunday. These people having little businesses and stuff all over, they've got this routine of arriving, I would say 9:30. They get up and ready to go, and then by 2 o'clock, the town usually starts getting a little bit quiet again. Suddenly it's deadly quiet. You can actually hear the birds sing. So yeah, this is what one should experience, not the traffic and the trucks and the main road. It's a pity that this main road runs through Paris in a certain sense. If they could only limit weekends, it would be fine. Divert the trucks to go around Paris on weekends, not right through dead center. I'm not gonna say how's it. There you are, the mini donuts, the pink caravan. You will find it here on weekends when you come down Water Street into Breë here at Pines Antiques, well-known establishment in the community, and you can have your nice little thingies there, and then you take a stroll down to the river. Môre julle. Hoe laat maak julle oop? What time you open? 9. Okay, have a great day, né? Thank you. I'll take a quick stroll down. This is also a shop that I would like to visit and just see what's happening there, but we'll get to that on another occasion. And this one as well. there's such a lot of people speaking about the dark chocolate cafe, and with such good responses that yeah, I would also like to come and sit down and have something there one day. This is now 50 President Street, it says. On this side it says Waterstraat. So this is one of the magic things of Paris. Do you know where you are? Yeah, I'm here right at Water Street on the corner. No, I'm at President Street. Okay, so that is it. We've got a Water Street and we've got a President Street, and that's about the same street, I would guess. To make sure we can confirm on this side of this very wide street, apparently wide enough to have an ox wagon turn in the street. Okay, this is still Water Street. So water and then something President and then water again, and so we go on. Right, off to see the Wild West show. From Pines Antiques, really just a short walk in a very, very ox wagon wide road leading to the river. Nice walk, especially in the morning. Beautiful to see the house down there with the smoke coming out from a chimney. Good morning. I'm good. Can I point the camera?
Is that your friend?
Yeah.
I'm looking for Standard Bank. I'm from the Eastern Cape, but
Okay, guys, I'm gonna rudely interrupt my recording. No, I will not. From the Eastern Cape, welcome in Paris.
thank you. Paris is nice, and I'm enjoying.
But you haven't got a mic on. But anyway, thank you. You're going to Standard Bank.
Standard Bank.
So you're going up the road to the stop street. You see it over there.
Yes, I can
in the
see it.
distance. You turn left.
Thank you.
Then you go past. You go left. You go past Spar,
Thank you.
past the municipal buildings,
Thank you.
and you turn right
Thank you.
at Chicken Licken.
Chicken licken. Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Have a good trip. Okay, so welcome to the guest from the Eastern Cape, and there we go. I was talking about the smoke from the chimney up there. Isn't that now a beautiful, nice, relaxing sight? I would hope that there's a pot of coffee on a little fire, or maybe they're starting to get ready for the big braai today. That might happen. The weather is absolutely perfect. Remember that when you come walking, comfortable shoes would do it for you. The pace is quite nice here. We've got very nice up and down hills. And when you come down here, you can either turn right and do the old historical esplanade or esplanade all around there over the bridge, right around to the entrance of Paris Golf Estate. Or you can turn left and yeah, actually experience rapids. Oh, there's a little ceremony again this morning. That's something that happens very often. You might be lucky. Don't interrupt. It's a personal thing. It's a religious thing. It's a cultural thing. Please don't interrupt. But having you here on the side, seeing what they do and how they do it, I don't think anybody will have a problem on that. Just respect what's happening. In this community, culture is a very important thing. And especially with the Vaal River, our access to the Vaal River, and not the Vaal River in general. It is one, they say, one of the oldest rivers on planet Earth, but the Vaal River is great, but the special thing about the Vaal River here that makes it different from the Vaal River anywhere else is that it runs through the Vredefort Dome World Heritage Site. And the explanation of how it comes that the Vaal River on the one side goes into the mountains, runs through the mountains, runs through the dome, and goes out on the other side through mountains.